In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with Notion. By the end, you'll have your files and folders just a click away inside Notion, making it easier to organize documents, share assets with your team, and keep everything in context. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to both your Notion and Google accounts, and that you have permission to add connections in your Notion workspace. Start by opening your browser and going to Notion.com. If you're not already signed in, log in and select the workspace where you want this integration to live. It's important to pick the right workspace up front, especially if you're part of multiple teams, because connections are managed per workspace. Next, open Settings. Depending on your layout, this may appear as Settings or Settings and Members. You'll typically find it in the left sidebar or by clicking your workspace name and choosing Settings. If you don't see the option to manage connections, you may need an admin to grant access. Inside Settings, look for the Connections section. This is where Notion keeps all integrations that can securely talk to your pages. It's designed to centralize permissions and control who can connect what, so you can manage access from one place. Now click Explore. This opens the gallery of available connections. You'll see a range of tools here, but we're focusing on Google Drive. Exploring from this view helps you confirm you're adding the official connection and not a workaround. Find Google Drive and click the plus icon to add it. Notion will guide you through a quick authorization flow. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose the correct Google account. Review the requested permissions and confirm. If you work across personal and work accounts, double-check you're connecting the one that contains the files you plan to use in Notion. After authorizing, give it a moment to complete. You should then see Google Drive listed among your connected apps in Notion settings. That's the integration setup. From here, you can bring Google Drive content into Notion pages by pasting a link to a file or folder, which will display a rich preview. You can also manage the connection at any time in Settings under Connections, where you can review permissions or disconnect if needed. If a file isn't showing, make sure your Google sharing settings allow the people in your Notion workspace to access it. To recap, go to Notion.com, open Settings, head to Connections, click Explore, and on Google Drive, hit the plus icon to connect. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother workflow with Google Drive and Notion working together.